During the launch of the all-new Land Cruiser 250 series, Toyota made a surprise new model announcement. We are talking about a significantly upgraded version of the immortal Land Cruiser 70 series with a tastefully redesigned exterior, additional tech and safety features, and a new 4-cylinder turbodiesel option that will be offered alongside the good old V8. 70 series will be available in single cab, double cab, troop carrier, and wagon body styles. Big changes hide under the bonnet, with the new option of the 2.8-liter 4-cylinder turbodiesel that produces 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque as in the 250 series. The mill is mated to a 6-speed Super ECT automatic gearbox, sending power to all four wheels through the 4WD system. The SUV measures 192.5 inches long, 73.6 inches wide, and 75.6 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 107.5 inch. This makes it shorter than both the Land Cruiser 250 series and the 300 series. Inside, the new instrument cluster features a 4.2-inch screen with retro graphics and the center console has been slightly revised. In Australia, all grades get a standard 6.7-inch touchscreen for the infotainment which is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.